I'm dumb. I'm stupid. I'd never amount to anything. I can't. It's impossible. It's too hard. What's the point of trying at all? Oh, I tried before. Have these been words or phrases you have told yourself? Have these been the standards as which you had lived by because you have told yourself that this is all you can do? I've lived many years of my life and most of my life believing I was dumb, stupid, and incapable. Due to dyslexia and all these other issues and stuttering and slurring and all these other problems, I have told myself there was things I was not allowed to obtain or to do. But family, I felt like I had a Wizard of Oz situation where I found my brain, where I found my worth, where I found my purpose, where I realized I'm not dumb, I'm not stupid, I'm not incapable. Family, I realized there's a difference between difficulty and impossibility, a difference between I can't and I won't. And I realized I've been living so many years of my life, living beneath my purpose. As God has been saying, I can do all things through Christ that strengthens you, I put a but at the end of that sentence. So I wrote, this is your chance to be a motivation for you and a place of equipping for you to be who God called you to be. There's a business, there's a dream, there's aspiration and goals that you cannot waste another moment of your life living in shoulda, coulda, woulda. It's laying in a bed of comfortability and compromise, pressing the snooze button of I'll do it later. Get up. This is your chance. This is your moment. It's not really opportunity that will pass us by. We're the ones who will pass by opportunity. And so this is your chance book. It's just for you. And I cannot wait for you to get your hands on it. So make sure you are giving close attention to all of our social media platforms for the release of the pre-order date and all this incredible stuff that's come alongside with it. Family, this is your chance. It's a book for you. Business leaders, entrepreneurs, dreamers, make sure you grab this book because I believe your best days are still before you.